Hello students. Today we will study the chapter of endocrine system in man. Before we start the chapter, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. The characteristics of endocrine glands are 1. They are ductless or without ducts. Their secretions are known as hormones. Hormones are transported by blood to all parts of the body, as they are not present near the target organ. Main endocrine glands are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, sex glands, namely testes and ovaries. Main endocrine gland is pituitary gland. It is also known as master gland as it controls all the activities of the body. It is located at the base of the brain and has 3 lobes, anterior, intermediate and posterior. It secretes tropic hormones. These tropic hormones stimulate certain other endocrine glands to secrete their hormones. Anterior lobe of pituitary gland secretes 7 main hormones. Growth hormone and somatotropic hormone which control growth of bones and soft tissue. Prolactin or luteotropic hormone which stimulates secretion of milk after childbirth. Thyroid stimulating hormone which stimulates production of thyroxine. Adrenocorticotropic hormone which stimulates adrenal gland to produce its hormones. Follicle stimulating hormone which stimulates spermatogenesis and the production of estrogen. Luteinizing hormone which controls ovulation. And interstitial stimulating hormone which help in production of male hormone called testosterone. Intermediate lobe of pituitary gland secretes hormone melanocyte stimulating hormone which controls distribution of pigments in the skin. Posterior lobe of pituitary gland secretes 2 main hormones. Antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin which help in conservation of water in the body. Oxytocin which creates powerful contraction by uterus during childbirth plus it causes milk ejection after childbirth. Thyroid gland is bilobed, butterfly-shaped largest endocrine gland. It weighs about 25 grams. It is located on either side of windpipe that is in front of voice box. It secretes 2 hormones called thyroxine and calcitonin. Production of thyroxine is influenced by iodine in the body. Thyroxine affects basal metabolic rate, controls cell respiration, energy production, body temperature, body weight, physical growth, mental growth, ossification of bones. Adrenal gland is located above kidneys. Internally it has 2 regions. Outer part is called cortex and inner part is called medulla. Adrenal cortex secretes 3 hormones. Mineralocorticoids or aldosterone regulate metabolism of sodium and potassium. Glucocorticoid or cortisol or corticosterone regulate metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Sex corticoid or androgens stimulate external sexual characters in males. Inner adrenal medulla secretes 2 hormones. They are adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Adrenaline is also known as emergency hormone or hormone of fight or flight. It helps us to face physical stress like fall in blood pressure or blood sugar, muscular exertion, pain, cold, injury or emotional stress. Pancreas gland is both endocrine and exocrine in function, so it is also called mixed gland. It has 2 types of cells. Acini which are exocrine, that is these cells secrete enzymes. Another type of cells are called islets of Langerhans which are endocrine, that is they secrete hormones. Islets of Langerhans secrete 3 hormones by 3 different cells. Alpha cells secrete hormone glucagon which converts glycogen into glucose during starvation. Beta cells secrete hormone insulin which convert glucose into glycogen. Delta cells secrete hormone somatostatin. Reproductive glands. In females, the reproductive glands are ovaries. They produce two hormones. Estrogen, which maintains menstrual cycle. Progesterone, which maintains pregnancy, egg production and development, and secondary sexual characteristics. In males, the reproductive glands are testes, which produce only one hormone, testosterone, which is responsible for sperm production and secondary sexual characteristics. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe for new videos.